So now, when we are familiar with outputting HTML document to our site, we can move further and let's talk about comments and how JavaScript works at all. Uh, in the previous video, we learned about document.write, and here you can, between these quotation marks, you can write whatever you like. Also HTML tags. So we can try it out. Some unordered list, and inside it we can, for example, type home. When we check it, we see we have home. Also some text or just whatever you like. And now, when we know how does it work, let's talk about what are these comments. So comment is like invisible line for a web browser. It's only visible for you. You write it into your code and you can type in there whatever you want. We know one-line comments and multiple line comments. If we want to have just one-line comment, uh, we type 2 times / and type whatever we want. For example, this outputs string home. Okay, when we refresh our page, we don't see nothing. It's just for a developer. Uh, Also, if we want multiplying comments, we can do it like this, you know. We copy and paste these 2 / and type here whatever we want, like some text in it or whatever. But we don't do it like this. When we want to type a multi-line comment, we start to type / and asterisk, and to end it, we type asterisk and / again. And now we can have multiple lines of whatever we want, whatever text, you know, it's just for you. Information for the developer. If you have lots of content, for example, like me in my recent project where I've had over 600 CSS lines. So in that bunch of code, I didn't even know where am I. So I had to uh, make, I call it sections. So then it's easier to navigate yourself in that much code. Also, for example, when you're just trying to figure out something in your code or in your script, you can also comment your code, so uh, it won't make any changes. You can write here whatever you want and just nothing happens. So that's also one of the good features here about comments. And now let's talk about how JavaScript works. It's not a big thing to say here, but it's good to mention. So, JavaScript is reading code or script from top to bottom, from left to right. And everything what is ending with this semicolon is taken like one statement for JavaScript. So keep that in mind. Whatever you are writing, JavaScript is reading from left to right, from top to bottom. So if I write here hello world, We refresh it and we see hello world. As you can see, there is no space here. And if I would add space here, refresh, there is space, or here, also there is a space. So I would say it's pretty comfortable in some ways.